Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 28th of April. After a generational tornado outbreak yesterday, it's calm this morning. Let's go to some of the images. We'll take a look at the water vapor satellite shot this morning. And again, of course, the emphasis is clearly on yesterday. We don't know exactly how many people have died, how many people have been injured, even at this point, and probably won't know for maybe days. The latest report from the news wires indicate 123 people were killed in Alabama, at least. And as I do this update this morning, the number of power outages statewide from Alabama Power, over 400,000. And again, it will be a day that will be remembered for a long, long time. But the storms are off to the east. The trough axis is moving in, and we've got cool, stable air dropping in. Around the nation, it is rather chilly and brisk this morning, with temperatures in the 30s across a large part of the northern and western states. And here in Alabama this morning, down to 55 in the Shoals. Birmingham sitting at 61, 61, the dew point 54. And cool air is the story. We're talking highs today only around 70 with a fresh north breeze, low humidity, a radical air mass change as opposed to the powder keg type air mass we had yesterday. There's our watch warning map this morning. The severe weather well to the east. Tornado and severe thunderstorm watches blanket the area all the way from near Macon, Georgia, up to parts of New York. And there's the closest watch to us. Those are for the storms on that dry line. That tornado watch until noon Eastern time. And again, that runs from central Georgia up to the Raleigh-Durham area of North Carolina. There is a slight risk. That's the standard risk of severe weather today for the Atlantic seaboard from Tallahassee up to the Canadian border. But again, for us, no severe weather expected today. And the good news, no severe weather opportunities, at least for the next 5 to 7 days. There's the QPF chart. Expected rain around the nation for the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening of next week, through Monday evening at 7 o'clock. Heaviest rain remains northwest of the state, quite frankly, where they don't need it. Amounts of 3.5 inches possible from Little Rock back up to near Cleveland. And around here, keep in mind, this counted the rain we had last night. The forecast period started at 7 o'clock last night. We will see some rain early next week, but I don't think it will be all that heavy. Quick peek at the modeling here. This is the OZGFS, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. There's the trough axis passing through, and we are in the dry slot. Noticeably cooler. In fact, the GFS is coming in with a high today of only 68 degrees, a nice north breeze. A very refreshing air mass. It will be a day, again, where huge cleanup operations continue across the state. We've just kind of run out of words to describe the outbreak we had yesterday. We had the two-phase outbreak. We had the morning event and then the afternoon tornado event. Friday, beautiful day. We'll start the day with temperatures well down in the 50s and probably upper 40s in spots, and then we'll see a high rising up at some point to the mid to upper 70s on Friday. Saturday starting off the weekend. Great day. Got some outdoor plans. You'll be in great shape. The high should be in the low 80s with bright sunny weather. And now Sunday looks good. You know, initially the model brought a cold front in here Sunday. Well, now clearly the bulk of the rain with that feature stays north and west of the state. So we'll call it partly sunny, maybe a shower by Sunday night. But the good news, the weekend looks fine. There's Monday of next week, and you can see this ridge. And look at the 588 ridge over the Gulf, almost like summer, kind of shunning the westerlies a little to the north. And accordingly, the cold front's not just going to zip through here. There's the cold front easing in here Monday with a chance of showers and storms, and it kind of stops to some degree, and Tuesday still looks wet. So we'll mention a chance of showers and thunderstorms on Monday and Tuesday. And the good news, no severe weather expected, no great dynamic support here, and the rain probably not all that heavy. And then Wednesday of next week, we dry out. Sky will be sunny. And Thursday, a week from today, looks gorgeous. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is May the 13th. Big trough on the East Coast. And look, you know, this is out there in the land of voodoo. There's not much consistency out here, and people say, well, why do you show this? Well, we just look for consistency, and we're not seeing any of that. And down below that, if that's right, that would be dry. But again, the good news, there is no evidence of any severe weather threat around here for the next 10 to 15 days. Of course, that might change. Keep in mind, tornado season runs through May. Our spring season here, March, April, and May. So as always, you have to watch things carefully this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. If you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.